Today, we are showing you how to download your Spotify listening history. Whether you're curious about your music habits or just want to have a record of your favorite tracks, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. Open your web browser and go to the Spotify website. Log into your account. Look for your profile name in the top right corner. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Account. Within your account settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy Settings. Look for the option Download your data. If you want, you can click the Extended Streaming History box. This will take longer to download, but it will have the full history of everything you've ever listened to. Click on the Request button next to it. Spotify will now prepare a downloadable archive containing your account data, including your listening history. This may take some time, so be patient. Once the data is ready, Spotify will send you an email to the address associated with your account. Open your email inbox and look for the message from Spotify. Click on the provided link to confirm your identity. After confirming your email, the download should begin automatically. Go to your Downloads folder. The archive will be in a zip file format. Once downloaded, extract the contents to access your Spotify data. Within the extracted files, you'll find various folders and files related to your Spotify account. Look for the files named streaminghistory.json. This file contains your listening history. It may be broken up into multiple files. Open the file with any text editing app. Here you can see the time, date, artist, and track name for everything you've ever listened to. There you have it, a simple way to download your Spotify listening history. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy listening.